Hello everyone, I am Sunny Sancheti from AdWave Creations. We have been in this business for the past 9 years. I am a proud member of BNI Tulip and I represent the category of signage, and I have been a member of BNI for the past 6 months. One of my friends, he casually invited me for a business meeting, and I was very skeptical about the meeting, that it is going to be, I had to prepare something extra for it. But then when I went into the meeting, it was an open networking session. People were talking about casually about, they were cracking jokes, they were pulling each other's legs, and they were having a laugh around there. They were having a big ball time. But then suddenly the president comes in and a formal meeting begins, and everything began to fall in its place. It was a very structured meeting. People were speaking about the business in an extremely professional manner. And then I really realized that this is what I really wanted. As a person, I'm a completely shy person, I'm completely introvert. I don't really have a social life around Siliguri. But then when I began attending the meeting, I saw that it's a blend of professional and of personal. It could help me. It was a win-win situation for me on both the ends, be it professional and my personal. I could gain from it, and that is when I thought I really need to join BNI. It was a perfect decision for me to join BNI. In order to expand my business, we have taken a land around the corner to integrate our business under one roof. Although I had ensured everything, making up the paperwork, after taking the land, one of my relatives, he raised issues that there might be issues with the locals around. And I was into complete ambiguity, I was in a lot of tension. And that is when I approached one of my fellow members of BNI. Like, he called me up with the papers, I took the papers, I went up to him, and he thoroughly went through everything, and he guided me with the paperwork. He not just guided me with the paperwork, but he also guided me through all the legalities and took care of all other obligations. And once I was assured of everything, it was a huge relief for me. He took care of the complete crisis, I can say this. And this is where I believe that BNI not just helps you on the professional front, it also helps you on a personal front. Ever since we began our business, we were serving the ad agencies. So, cutting it short, we were dealing with one particular person over and over again. It was a repetitive business from the same person. So, it so happened that one of my BNI members got a signage done from us for his hotel, and we did it really well, and he was so impressed with it. He even gave us referrals, and there were other people from the similar industry who continued to give us work. So that one referral, it took me out of the well of serving the ad agencies into the broader picture of retailing. BNI teaches us a lot of things in terms of core values. Earlier, when we used to work for ad agencies, my staff used to take care of majority of the work, which used to just flow in, and I used to do all the clean work. But now that we are into the retail front, I have to be on my toes, taking care of the production, the installation, and the after sales service. So this is how I have been able to inculcate accountability into my business. I would like to thank BNI for grooming me into a person what I am now, for turning me from an introvert to an extrovert, giving me lifelong friends who are not just there for me on a professional front but also on a social front. Thank you for changing the way I do business.